My name is Max. I joined in July 2022. Yeah, I specialise in recruiting on the permanent side of things, so I recruit 95% maintenance engineers pretty much. So that could be from your standard maintenance engineers all the way up to team leaders, supervisors, and also engineering managers as well. And yeah, it's just across the Yorkshire area that I cover, mainly South Yorkshire, West Yorkshire, and then also sort of do a little bit in East and North as well. So clients should work with me and ATA obviously for a couple of different reasons. The first one being when we send a candidate over to you and send their CV, we'd speak to them for at least half an hour just to get a really good understanding of their situation. So this involves sort of going into the reasons for leaving and all their past jobs really, and finding out what's important for them from a longer term aspiration point of view, really understand their motivations, just to make sure this candidate's going to be a long term fit for yourselves. On top of that, we break it down from a technical perspective as well, so we'll understand what they can do mechanically, what they can do electrically, what sort of machinery they've got experience working on in the past, what they can do in a PLC and what they can do from reactive and sort of planned maintenance point of view as well. On top of that, we've got a really extensive database, so that contains 65,000 engineers, and 72% of our placements come from there. So we're not fishing out the same pond as other agencies. Candidates should work with me and ATA just because before discussing any engineering opportunities, I like to have a screen call with yourselves and get a really good understanding about what it actually is you're looking for in your next role. So what sort of industries you're looking for, what shift pattern's going to suit your home life the best. This is going to allow me not to just throw in engineering opportunities at you. They're going to be tailored to what you're looking for. We work with some big industry leaders and household names that you come across every day. So it shows that we're working with the top clientele.